Well, good news. They told me that I can film inside the nature center. So we have two today, and maybe one with the water buffaloes. So I'll show you the friendly girls. They said, they don't understand any English, but they understand I'm a vlogger. Thank you. They said hello. All right. So we're going to walk around. Let's take a look. Admiring nature, of course. Oh, the different birds. Kingfisher. Black-winged stilt. Black-winged stilt. I put it so you can stop it and read about them if you like. This is the great egret. The Chinese striped neck turtle. There he is. Wow. The green-winged teal. Whoa. The little egret. 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 The variegated flutterer. Variegated flutterer. Look like a horsefly to me. And the gray heron. That's the one that I guess I would have to say I've heard of or seen before. You got like a little animation showing all the different ones. And you can touch it and have them say a different sound, I guess. Let's check it out. Oh, yes, the common kingfish. Yeah, what's that one right there? This is great for kids. The green winged teal. Show him moving around, doing his thing. Oh man, this would be great for kids. Great for me. This is the black speckled toad. Got the 3D panorama view. Man, this is special. Nice, nice. Let's show how the wetlands are maintained on a smaller scale. Yeah, this is gonna be a quick one. I won't stay too long here, but I just want to show. Wow. They got the underground insects that the birds get. Whoa. They suck them out with air. We call that the redneck stink. The criminal larvae. Look at this. The bowled fiddler crab. And the bird sucks them out and then eats them. Oh, they didn't show him eating it. That would have been really gross. Oh, we have like little science experiments for the kids to do. Oh man, this place is fun. Gee whiz. Be a naturalist for a day. And you can like do the different experiments that they do. Everything. Look at this. It's like a fake wetland. Beautiful, beautiful. I had one like this in my home. Yeah, it killed my fish. It was too much mud. I had to clean it all out and change the whole doggone thing. Oh, they got the paper for you to do like the little research while you're here. Talk about ponds. Talk about marshlands. Understory ecosystem. Slope by the stream. Oh, yeah. They reproduced all the areas in a river. Oh, this is nice. This is real nice. And then they have a family come and they do a little research and study and learn some, oh wow, look at the view. Whoa. Call me corny, but that view. Shaoxing. Look at that view. My gosh. Oh, Shaoxing means be careful. That view. Now what? You wake up every day and that's your view right there. Come on now. Have my bed right here. Wake up in the day. Open my eyes. I see the city all the way over there and I see nature right next to me. That would be special. All right, well, let me see a little bit more and we get up out of here. I mean, this is 7 minutes, almost 8 minutes. I want to have a gift shop. All right. I think we're gone. That was really, really special. And they have a video thing they do, and you can pay and go visit the video, watch the video. So that, oh, if you're wondering, that's a golf course. I guess they just do the long drives, the driving course. Oh, that's the nature center. All right, well, hey, let me tell you something. I enjoyed it with you all, and I hope you enjoyed it also. I'm just looking at all these birds, and I see the golf balls getting slapped around over there. People practicing their drive. That might be another little hobby I can take up. I played in college for about a week. And all we did was drive the ball across the campus. All right. Y'all have a great day. But I'm gonna see if I can find you a nice picture to end this off with. Oh wow, look at that. This is a lava rock, andesite, on the property. So let's go down a little bit more. I'll find you a goodbye picture spot. I think it's a little pond over here that had the foliage, the different vegetation in the water. So let's check it out. Then we'll end for the day. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. I know it's kind of seems like boring to some people, I'm sure. But to me, it is the part of life that we ignore every single day. Nature. We push it aside and we dominate it and we take over what was here before us and we turn it into something that's not as beautiful as what it was. Nature. All right, people. Peace be with you. One.